Everybody, my name is Naomi Munguia, and today I present my Project Wellness Center. During COVID-19, it has affected people in many ways. It forced people to be indoors and stuck in their homes with no way to release their stress. People are mentally breaking down from being so disconnected from the world. So by creating a wellness center, I want people to feel revived, rejuvenated, and one with themselves again. The location of the site is 1215 Bordox Drive in Sunnyvale, California. Around the site itself are big tech companies such as Google, GSR Micro, and Opiate. During my research of my wellness center and spas, I found 2 resorts. Present Moment Retreat Center, which is located in Mexico. They are known for yoga, but also a sanctuary of mind, body, and soul. Second is the Zenuk Spas Resort, which is located in Mexico as well. They are known for their luxurious spa treatments, such as skin, nail, and health. After researching, I started brainstorming my concept of what the theme I wanted. I started off with relaxation and rejuvenated because that's what came up to my mind when I think of spa and wellness centers, then relating the words towards the theme around it. After researching for my concept, I decided to do communication within the honey beehives. So how do bees communicate? One is by pheromones, which are chemical signals that an animal produces which changes the behavior of another animal of the same species. The second way is the honey queen bee herself. She communicates by giving off a scent to let her working bees know that she can only fertilize eggs. So by creating my wellness center with my concept, I will incorporate chemical signals of the pheromones as the structure of the octagons into my design, such as the walls, lighting, and represent of the honey beehive. Once I got my concept and research of my spa center, I came up with the bubble zone to show the structure of my walls and to show what space of the room goes in. Once I got the layout of my spa center, I show my blocking diagram to give the flow of how the people can walk around the space. And also the adjacent matrix is the list of each room in my wellness center and which rooms are adjacent to each other and not. After creating my massing model, it helped me understand the space better because some of the walls were too close to each other or some rooms are bigger than others. The left image is my furniture layout that shows all the interior materials that I have added and also the furniture in each room. On the right, it shows the layout plan with numbers to show which room goes where accordingly. For my RCP, it shows the kind of lighting I have, which are acoustic ceiling clouds, pendant lightings, and recessed lightings. In my short section cut, I show what material goes within the space. For example, birchwood flooring, acoustic ceiling clouds, pendant lighting, and yellow paint for the hallways and lobby. For my long section cut, it shows the whole spa center of what it would look like if it was cut, and also the materials provided. For example, my Zen garden has rocks, bushes, and sand for the materials, and then the gym has rubber flooring with gray octagon wallpaper. My first axonometric view gives the idea of what the spa center would look like in a 3D view. And then my second axonometric view again also gives the space in 3D, but from the back side of the site. My first perspective is my window display. I wanted the first expression of how it would look like walking up to the Zenuk Spa Center. My Cashrap Perspective also gives the expression of walking up to the front desk with people able to sit and relax. Customers are able to use the gym by working out and enjoying the outside from the Zen garden into the patio. My sauna gives the perspective of what it would look like if someone were able to use the space and feel relaxed and also have conversation with their friends. Customers are able to relax in the patio space once they are done using their treatment rooms, and also to grab a smoothie from the nutrition bar and relax on the sofas and watch the Zen garden. Lastly, my final model is to scale of 1/8 inch equals 1 foot to see how big the space of my spa center is. And the two images here are my RCP to show the lighting. And then the second images are to show my interior walls with people to scale to see how tall the walls are. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoy.